Hello WordPress nerds. So in this video we are going to talk about escaping for Textarea and JS. Um, it's not only JS but it's for Inline-JS. So escaping means what we have done so far in the data security playlist, which is like securely output some data based on their placement. For example, in previous video I showed you how to securely set attribute and securely display value between HTML tags, like that. So in this video we are going to talk about securely display data for the text area and inline JS. So we will continue on my custom plugin, and if you don't know that, I am demonstrating everything on the custom meta box. And if you don't know how to create custom meta box, link is into the description section. I would suggest to go that and watch that video first and then come back again on this video. Otherwise keep going. So I will edit this post. So basically this is the file of my custom plugin, includes custom action filters.php, and here I have add meta box for post and book post types. So this is the meta box and this is the responsible function, what we should output in the meta box. So sorry about that. So in this meta box we are displaying some image and some fields over here, where we have a couple of text area over here. So for that text area, when I display the value, I am not adding anything. I am just straight printing the variable, which is not the ideal way. So instead of doing that, in the text area we should use esc text area function. Similarly, above, if you can see that for the attribute we use esc attr function, and for the text area we can use esc text area. So that's that. And for the inline JS, let's say I want to put, so this is somewhere here, so let's put that below the image. So now link is below the image, and now let's say we want to add a click event to this anchor tag using inline.js. So what we will do is we will add on click event and make some function, and let's say we want to pass some dynamic argument over here. So in that case we would pass some argument like number. Let's say we want to pass a number inside this function, and number we will assign over here. So ideally this should not we do on inline JS. So similarly we escape this text area and attribute, we should escape this JS as well, and for that we should write esc JS. So this is the correct way to write inline JS and pass argument or value or anything variable using ESC JS. And let's refresh this now. It is not going to affect anything as of now because our code is safe. But if there is something unsafe with this variable, then it will automatically remove those parts from the variables and it will safely output the data. So this is how escaping the text area in JS works. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video, guys.